Hello everyone, this is the 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo that costs 150,000. The Taycan Turbo is an all-electric car. The Taycan Turbo is a very super luxury car that has redefined the electric car industry. The Taycan Turbo is powered by two permanent magnetic synchronous engines. The two electric motors that are powered by a 93 kilowatt battery are installed on the two axles of the high-performance Taycan Turbo and the Taycan Turbo S. The two synchronous engine on the two axles of the Taycan Turbo helps the Taycan to produce 616 horsepower and 226 pound-feet of torque. The Taycan can do 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds, and the Taycan has accomplished a top track speed of 161 miles per hour. The Porsche permanent magnetic synchronous motor are paired with Porsche 2-speed transmission. This helps the Porsche Taycan in producing high density and continuous output and high efficiency. The Taycan is so great that the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) has estimated the fuel economy of the Taycan Turbo to be 68 miles per gallon, which is MPGe city, and 71 MPGe. When the Taycan Turbo is fully charged, you can get 201-mile range. So now that we have talked about some of the things that makes this Taycan to be a high-performance car, now let's look at some of the features that makes this Taycan to drive like a dream. In the Taycan Turbo, some of the exterior and interior features that you will get includes the air curtains, 4-point LED headlights, automatic extending door handles, panoramic fixed glass roof, 3-stage rear spoiler, 18-way adjustable seat, multifunctional sports steering wheel, advanced climate control, luggage compartment. The rear trunk space offers a 12.9 cubic feet. Minimum button in the interior. Almost everything in the cockpit is mostly digital. 16.8-inch curved digital display. Porsche communication management display on a 10.9-inch central display on the dashboard. 8.4-inch center console panel that helps the Porsche Taycan to easily connect your navigation, media, telephone, setting, and Apple CarPlay. The Porsche Taycan comes with Porsche Active Aerodynamic System, which includes a rear spoiler and adjustable cool air intake made especially for dynamic driving mode. The Taycan is equipped with Porsche surface-coated brakes. These brakes help the Taycan to decelerate as quickly as possible. With this so much power that the Porsche Taycan comes with, what Porsche has done is they have equipped this Porsche with a very powerful chassis that helps the Porsche Taycan in achieving optimal performance. The Porsche chassis comes with adaptive air suspension, rear axle steering, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control Sport, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus. The Porsche Taycan comes with one of the most advanced technology, and this is called the assistance system. Porsche InnoDrive includes adaptive cruise control, active lane and traffic jam assist, lane change assist, and night vision assist. Surrounding vision that makes parking the Taycan fun and easy. So what is your take on this new Porsche Taycan? What do you think? Do you think it's amazing? What's your feel about this Taycan? Please, I want you to leave a comment down below, and if you have found this video interesting in any way, please subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification icon, and like this video so that when I post my future videos, you will be able to see them. And this helps my channel to grow. And I really want to say a big thank you for those who have taken their time in watching this video till the end. I want to say a big thank you one more time, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. And please subscribe, like this video and share it, and I will see you next time. Are you still there? If you are still there, I have an announcement to make. As soon as I get to 500 subscribers, I am going to be doing a big giveaway. So if you want to be part of this giveaway that's coming to my channel, I want you to subscribe, press the bell notification icon, and please return so that when it's time to do the giveaway, you will be one of the people that will participate in this. Thank you.